This 2021 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, water heater, leveling jacks, air conditioning, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, skylight, smoke detector, slide out, LP detector, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is 6,386 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.